Okay, now that we've gone through and calibrated the images, we'll stack them together to create the master clear, master red, green and blue images. Before we do that, what we notice is that the clear images are much larger, like 20,021 megabyte, and the red, green and blue images are a lot smaller, at about 2.4 megabytes. And this is because when I take the clear images, I take them in 1:1 binning, which means the pixels are native pixels. Whereas with the red, green and blue, I combine using 3:3 binning, and that turns 9 pixels, 3 pixels by 3 pixels, into one master pixel, and it increases the sensitivity of the pixel. We take clear exposures through 1:1 because generally the clear or luminance exposures, they give you the resolution in the image, and the RGBs, they're not so much for the resolution but more for the color. They'll give you the color in the image. But because we've got these different file sizes, what I prefer to do is go through and resize the RGB images so they're the same image size as the clears. So what we'll do is just open up one of the clear images, and here it is here, measure 65 and 66, and we can go to process, resize, and we can see that the image size is 4008 times 2672 and 9:9 pixels. Okay, so cancel that, and we'll open up one of the other exposures, the 3:3 binned exposures, like this one here, and again we'll go through and process, resize. Damn, not that one. I just played around with that a few minutes ago. We'll go for this one here. Okay, so process, resize. Oh, okay, yeah, I see what I've done. So we can see the current width size is 1336 times 890 pixels, which is this divided by 3 to give you that. So what we'll do is we'll actually make this 4008 times 2672. We'll update, and then we'll go OK, and now it's actually made 3:3 binned image the same size as the 1:1 binned image. And what we'll do is we'll apply that to all the 3:3 images to resize them before we actually combine them in Maxim. So we'll just pause there. Okay, what we've done is gone through and resized the 3:3 images so that the same size as the 1:1 binned images. You can see down here now the size, they're all the same. So the real estate and the XY directions are the same, the images are the same sizes. So now we'll go through and actually combine them, combine the clear images to make one master clear image, and then combine the red images, make one master red image, then the blues to make a master blue, and the greens to make a master green. Now to that, we'll just go process, stack, and here's our images here. Here's the clear images, the blue images, the green images and the red images. You'll see I've actually got more red images for some reason than the blue and the green. Like I say, I'd love to spend more time imaging these two great galaxies to get more data. I need a minimum of 3 images to actually create the master, so we're just sneaking in with the red and the blue, the green and the blue. Anyhow, so those are the images we'll be stacking, and the quality. You can actually go through and, if you want, set some parameters so that Maxim knows to go through and reject any images that are where the stars are out of focus. They'll give a greater full width half maximum than that and reject them. But I know all the images are pretty good, so we'll just use them like that. We'll use auto star matching for the align. For the RGB color output, we'll just leave them at 1 by 1 by 1, but they'll look disgusting when I'll show you soon. And combine, we'll just use average combine. Now I'm going to combine them to a new image, but also keep the individual color planes, so that we've got one clear, one green, blue and red image. Okay, so we go, and what it's doing is it's now going through and it's stacking each image on top of each of the other image. Say for all the reds, stack all the reds together to make the one master red, the master blue and the master green image. Shall I pause or not? Let's see, it's almost done actually. So it's a great program. Like I say, when you've got oodles of images to process, you can just start this off, go off and have your dinner and come back later and it's all done for you. Okay, so we'll close that, and now we've got what Maxim has deemed the red, green, blue image. It's combined all the red, green, blue images to make the color image. Now you'll see it looks disgusting because the colors haven't been properly fractioned, and that there's too much green, not enough blue perhaps, not enough red or whatever. But what we'll do is I'll combine them in Maxim afterwards. But anyhow, we'll get rid of that ugly one. No, but here's all the clear images, and they've all been stacked together. And let's just stretch them out a bit and sort of have a look, and you can sort of see that. Oops. That it's. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. God, what am I doing? Anyhow, so we can see there's your blue images, the green images stacked to create the one master green image, and the red images, the exposures taken through the red filter. So what we'll do is we'll actually save all those, yes to all, and we'll point them to that folder. Okay, save red, save green, save blue, and save clear. Okay, and next what we'll do is we'll go through and combine them all.